Hey there, I'm Delroy with AutoZone. One gadget for your car that can come in handy is a portable jump starter. They're compact, so it's easy to keep one in your glove box or under the seat for when you need it. Why? Because you never know when you might need a jump start. If there's no one around to help, a jump starter can help get you back on the road. Just charge it like any other electronic device, and if you find yourself in a situation where you need a jump, simply hook up to the battery, turn it on to jump, and start the vehicle. Let me demonstrate each step for you. First, make sure you're in a safe area away from traffic. Open the hood and find your battery. Now, uncap the battery terminal if one is present. Take the red clamp and clamp it onto the red terminal. Then, connect black to black. Now, turn the portable jump starter to jump. Get in the car and turn the ignition. It should start right up. This Duralast portable jump starter I got from AutoZone has a lithium battery that can deliver a strong 800 amps of jumping power up to 25 times per charge. That's big enough for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Some models even have USB ports that will charge your phone and other electronic devices 4 times faster than a regular USB port, so you won't be in an emergency without your phone. You can pick up a portable jump starter at your local AutoZone. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.